Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see our new application called FileFusion Pro. FileFusion Pro is helps to find your code easily, and if you have suppose multiple folders, a main folder that contain multiple subfolders and each folder contains different files. And if you want to search a specific file, then my application will help you to find that specific code through the extension. Suppose second problem is suppose you want to send your code in a single file and your code is distributed in a different folder. Then my FileFusion Pro application will help you to merge it into a single file and you can send that code to the OpenAI or ChatGPT or anyone. So let's see friends how we can install our application and how does work my application. So let's see. So friends, here you can see I have one folder named as file, and if I open it, it contains multiple subfolder and each subfolder contains one file with different extension. So I'm going to open this folder in VS Code so you can see easily. Folder is on desktop. Okay, I'm going to open this folder with the VS Code. So friends, here you can see I have different extension files in different subfolder. So with the help of my application, I will going to read these all files and I will I will merge it into a single file. So let's see friends. First of all, I will download my application. So friends, enter here this path filefusionpro.netlify.app. Click on the enter button. So you will reach my landing page for the FileFusion Pro. Here is the download button for FileFusion Pro. This will the UI of my application. Here I give the steps how you can use, and here is a one more button to download the application. So let's download my FileFusion Pro. After clicking on the FileFusion Pro, you need to download. Here just select where you want to download. I want to download in download. Okay, FileFusion Pro. Okay, save. Then application will going to download. Okay, application is successfully downloaded. So friends, here we just need to extract this file. Right click on the file and extract all. Okay, here you can select change your file, but I want to create in this path. Extract. Here our extraction is completed. Now double click on this folder. Go inside this folder and here you can see the one exe file. Just double click on it. Then click on the I accept agreement. Click on next button. Next. Here check the box for create the desktop shortcut. Click on next button and click on install button. Then your application will install. Here you can see our application is installed successfully. Click on the next button and finish. Then our application will open after installation. Okay. So friend, this is the actual UI of my system. So here is a one button to selecting the path of your folder. After clicking on this button, you can select your path, actual path of your folder. So here is the one checkbox to selecting all the extensions. Okay, if you want to find one specific extension file, suppose PY, here is a PI. If you want to find the HTML, here is HTML. If you find to XML file, here is XML. And if you want to find all types of file, all kinds of file, then check this box. Okay, after that you can find all kind of files in your folder. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to browse my folder. You know, our folder is exact on the desktop. I'm selecting file, select folder. Okay, here you can see I successfully selected the folder. Later on, now I want to check the file folder, which kind of file contains. If I click on the preview button, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 types. 7 types of file is containing my folder, and also it's showing its path, where is it present. Click on the close button. If I click on the combine files, then here you can see combine output.txt. So this file will be created on the desktop if I created on the combine files button, or if I specify any name, suppose Rahul, then Rahul name file will be created on the desktop. So let's check it. I'm going to click on the combine files button. Click OK. Successfully combine 7 files in a one Rahul name file. Okay. If you want to open it, you can click on the open file button. If you don't want to open it, just click on the OK. I'm going to click on the OK button, and I want to show the file is created on the desktop. Okay, here you can see the Rahul name file is created on the desktop. If I'm going to open it, so right click on the file and please open with any extension. I will open it and edit in Notepad. Okay, so here you can see combine 7 files from C user this desktop file and generated by Pro, and here is the all data from that all file. If you want to see the py file is present in that file folder or not. Okay, here if I click on the preview files, okay, one script.py file is present in my folder. Okay, if I click on the combine files, okay, here you can see only print hello from Python files. It contains only .py files data. If I want to see also HTML files data, if I click on the combine files, open. Okay, here you can see all the selected file data is merged in one single file named as Rahul. So it is the actual use of my system. Here is a dark mode and light mode, but I love to stay in dark mode. Okay, so friends, this is the actual system that I created for those people who try to search these files or merge data in single files. So friends, this will be helpful to all people. Also, we can select a specific folder. And if you want to know which kind of files this folder is containing, if you because not selected any file. If we click on the preview file, okay, this for the folder A is containing only style.css file. So friends, this is the actual system that I created. If you want to use my application, you can download it. Also, I'm going to mention here the actual link of my application. So, FileFusion Pro.netlify.app. So, friends, with the help of this link, you can download my application. So, friends, you should download it. And also I mentioned this path in my description, so direct click on that path, you can directly get you can redirect to the landing page. And friends, especially for the developers who are tired to finding specific code or copying code from the different folder, so what do you think? Will my application will helpful for them or not? Tell me in the comment section, guys. Friends, I recommend installing my application on your side. Please let me know in the comment section if I missed any file extension in my application. So please let me know, guys. I assure you that this application is completely safe and will not harm your device. So please install my application and use it, and let me know if I need to add some any additionality in my application or not.